Hi there, audience. If you're passionate about exercising, you've undoubtedly heard a lot about the wonderful advantages of high-protein meals. Diets high in protein are great for people who are attempting to lose weight because foods high in protein make you feel fuller for longer. There are more foods high in protein besides eggs, poultry, and beef. You can eat delicious meals without being bored. We'll talk about high-protein dishes for weight loss in today's video. Can you eat turkey meatballs? Consider tuna patties. We'll discuss all of these topics in addition to others. Relax. Let's start by talking about a delectable choice. Meatballs with turkey. Meatballs with turkey. Due to the recipe's simple components and use of ground lean turkey meat, turkey meatballs are an easy dish to prepare. It goes well as an accompaniment to any meal. This recipe is ideal for reaching your weight loss objectives because it is low in carbohydrates and high in protein. To prevent dry meatballs, add breadcrumbs and chicken broth to the recipe to make it more moist. Worcestershire sauce and Parmesan cheese can be used to enhance the flavor. Serve this dish with roasted veggies or a cucumber tomato salad for a healthier option. Not feeling like meatballs with turkey sauce? Next, our selection is equally delectable and healthful. Stop. Time for some avocado and grilled chicken. Avocado with grilled chicken salad. Eating a ton of salad is usually the first thing that comes to mind when we discuss healthy eating. Salads are a nutritious dish that provide you with all the necessary nutrients and allow you to eat a lot of greens. When you eat out, the salads usually have an excessive amount of cheese and dressing on them. Alternatively, use grilled chicken to prepare your high-protein salad at home and reduce the amount of calories by half. For taste, try adding avocado along with walnuts and goat cheese to get a nutritious boost. Because they are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which lower cholesterol, avocados are considered superfoods in and of themselves. Pregnant women can benefit notably from the folic acid found in avocados. You can now understand that eating a boring salad isn't necessary to lose weight. You can also accelerate your goal-achieving process by indulging in something as delicious as grilled chicken and avocado salad. Do you need a tasty and nutritious beverage to go with your salad? We are really excited to reveal the next item on our list. Relax. Kefir without fat is the best option. Fat-free kefir in. Kefir is a dairy product that has undergone fermentation. It resembles drinkable yogurt. Kefir has no fat and 11 grams of protein per cup. It is also a strong source of calcium, which can strengthen your bones, among its other advantages. You can boost the amount of protein in the drink by using non-fat milk. Consider making a smoothie with kefir. Combine your favorite fruits with leafy greens like spinach and kale. Pause. How about some tuna patties for a lunch high in protein? Because they only require a few basic ingredients, tuna cakes or patties create a tasty side dish. In a bowl, combine tuna, eggs, onions, mayonnaise, parsley, and shredded cheese. Combine and shape into patties. You may have this low-carb, high-protein dish for lunch or dinner. Searching for a meal that is even lower in calories but still high in protein and nutrients? You'll be shocked at what's on our list for next. Relax. Turkey Reuben with low calorie is a fantastic option. Reuben in turkey. Are you a fan of sandwiches? Likewise. Every time I have to eliminate sandwiches from my diet in an effort to reduce weight, it always hurts my feelings. The good news is that sandwiches are no longer off limits. Choose low-calorie options like turkey Reubens rather than high-calorie, cheese-laden sandwiches. Reuben sandwiches are heavy in calories and typically made with corned meat. However, a serving of turkey Reuben only has 365 calories and provides a good amount of protein. When you use whole grain bread, the turkey Reuben becomes even more healthful. This implies that you incorporate the required amount of fiber into your meal. This decadent dish can be incorporated into your diet to help you lose weight. Just enough beef. High-protein meals are not limited to non-vegetarians. To keep in shape, vegans and vegetarians should attempt plant-based protein meals. This is the ideal recommendation for both veggie lovers. Relax. Tofu with sprouts is delicious and nutritious. Congealed tofu. If you're a plant-based protein vegetarian, tofu is a terrific option. Replace your standard tofu with sprouted tofu to increase your intake of protein. Regular tofu and sprouted tofu taste very much the same. It is created with sprouted soybeans instead of the same ingredients. When compared to conventional tofu, sprouted soybeans provide more protein and fiber. Soybean sprouts offer 10 grams of protein per 3 ounces. Furthermore, rich in nutrients and possessing anti-inflammatory qualities, it is gentle on the digestive tract. Searching for high-protein snack ideas? We'll start our list with a delicious snack that's simple to prepare at home. Relax. Amazing chocolate peanut butter energy balls. Chocolate energy balls with peanut butter. In addition to being delicious, peanuts are a terrific complement to any diet. Chocolate peanut butter energy balls are simple to make and don't need to be baked. They are ideal for on-the-go snacking and dessert. You can use honey, olive oil, and baking chocolate to make the chocolate coating. Do you not like honey? Try some maple syrup. Make sure to freeze your hands after washing them if you plan to form the balls by hand rather than using a scoop. We have another salad for you to try for lunch or dinner next on our list. Pause. A great option is grilled Caesar salad. Caesar salad on the grill. A lot of people's favorite salad is Caesar. However, the dressings you buy at the grocery store are typically loaded with calories and fat. It is feasible to make a Caesar salad that is low in calories and fat and high in protein. Add the anchovies after combining the Worcestershire sauce, mayonnaise, clove garlic, and red wine vinegar to make the dressing. The salad would consist of skinless chicken breasts and romaine lettuce. Add a little olive oil and season with salt and pepper to taste. Stop. Are you familiar with pea protein powder? Pulverized pea protein. Protein powder is a popular choice for those who regularly work out. Powdered pea protein offers several benefits. When it comes to growing muscle, it works better than a typical protein powder made from dairy. Additionally, a wonderful source of iron is pea protein powder, particularly for vegans. Consuming slightly more than a cup of powder is very beneficial to heart health since it decreases blood pressure. It lowers cholesterol levels as well. Relax. Let's move on to talk about tempeh, which is another type of plant protein. Unlike tofu tempeh, which is prepared by coagulating soy milk, tempeh is a fermented soybean. Tempeh is more flavorful and has a harder structure than tofu. It is a fantastic meat substitute that may provide you with the necessary protein without packing on the pounds. Tempeh can be seared and then added to a sandwich or used in your stir-fry dish. About 4 ounces of tempeh provides about 21 grams of protein but only 2 grams of fat per serving. Tempeh is a fantastic supplement to any diet plan for losing weight. Pause. Turkey BLT salad comes in last on our list. BLT salad with turkey. Nothing goes better together than bacon, lettuce, and tomato, especially when combined in a sandwich. However, have you ever tried a BLT salad with turkey? To create a base for your salad, try chopping the bread into little pieces and adding it to the lettuce. You can add a few diced pieces of deli turkey to the salad to significantly increase its protein value. This salad is a nice and simple high-protein dish that also has adequate substance. It's critical to include meals high in protein in your diet. It's essential for effectively reducing body weight. Seeking additional pointers and advice? Let's continue the discussion with a few more films about losing weight. Must we? See the 50 foods you must steer clear of to lose weight. You can also watch Which is Better for Your Weight Loss, a video. Weights or cardio? Feel free to click one. Better yet, watch both to get more information about keeping a healthy weight. Will you be attempting any of these high-protein dishes? Tell us in the comments section below.